there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're going to be looking at a multi-step equation. And that just simply means we're going to use multiple steps to be able to solve. I'm noticing when I look at the equation that I've got parentheses on both sides and a number in front. So I'm going to begin with the distributive property. On the left side, I'm going to distribute the 3 to the parentheses. Now, when I say distribute, I'm going to multiply the 3 times the 2x. I'm going to multiply the 3 times the 4 as well. Let's take a look at what that might look like. I get 6x because 3 times 2x gives me 6x and 3 times 4 gives me 12. Now look at the right side as well. See that negative in front of the parentheses on the right side means that I'm distributing a -1. So I'm multiplying -1 times the 2x. That's why I got -2x. And I'm multiplying -1 times -8. That's why I got +8. Now our next step is then to get all of the x's on one side. I like to move my x's to the left. And so when I look at the right side, I see that -2x. I want to move it to the left side of the equation by adding 2x to both sides. So I'm going to add 2x. Look at what happens on the left. 6x plus 2x gives me 8x plus 12. And then on the right side, I've got -2x plus -2x. That's 0. So 0 plus 8 gives me 0. Essentially, I've moved all of the x's to the left side, and now I am what we call a two-step equation. You may ask, why? How do you know it's a two-step equation? Well, look at what's happening to the variable. There are two things. It's being multiplied by 8, and it's being added by 12. In order to solve, we have to get rid of both of those. So let's undo the adding 12. And the way we undo that is to do the opposite of adding 12. The opposite of adding 12 is to subtract 12. So we're going to do that from both sides of the equation here. When we subtract 12 from the left side, we are left with just 8x. When we subtract 12 from the right side, we're left with -4. And now we have to look at 8x. We ask ourselves, what's happening to the variable? It's being multiplied by 8. So we do the opposite of what you would normally think. The opposite of multiplying by 8 is to divide by 8. And so we'll divide by 8 on both sides, and I get x equals -4/8, or x equals -1/2. Of course, we want to reduce, right? We want to get it into as simple as possible. So if you see those fractions like -4/8 or -3/6, you could always reduce those to -1/2.